Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on integral calculus. In this video, we'll be looking at integration by part. We have our problem here. Integrate integral of x raised to power 4 ln x dx, where x is greater than 0. We have to bring in the formula for integration by part, which is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Here we are going to assign either x raised to power 4 as u and then ln as dv. We need to examine which of the two functions can be easily integrated and which can be easily differentiated. For x raised to power 4, it can be easily differentiated, and for ln x, it can also be easily differentiated. For integration, x raised to power 4 can easily be integrated, but ln x cannot be easily integrated. We cannot assign u to be equal to x raised to power 4 and dv to be equal to ln x dx because ln x cannot be easily integrated. So we have to switch by assigning dv to x raised to power 4 since we can easily integrate it and we can easily differentiate this. So we have it as u. For your information, the x raised to power 4 will go with the x. So we now go ahead to say dv is equal to x raised to power 4 dx and then u to be equal to ln x. We are going to integrate both sides of the first part. So integral of dv will give us a v to be equal to x raised to power 5 then divide by 5. Then for this, we find du dx. So du dx will be equal to 1 over x. Then we are interested in getting our du. Making du the subject of the relation, we have du to be the x over x. We then go ahead to integrate the function. Integral of x raised to power 4 ln x dx will be equal to, we need to substitute in uv. Our u is ln x and our v is x raised to power 5 over 5. So we have it as x raised to power 5 over 5, and that is v. Then minus integral of our v. Our v is x raised to power 5 over 5. Then du, and our du is the x all over x. We simplify this. So simplifying this, we have x raised to power 5 over 5 ln x, then minus the 1 over 5 here now will come outside the integral. So x raised to power 5 divided by x will give us x raised to power 4 dx. This is the part now we're going to integrate and then we finalize our results. So we have x raised to power 5 over 5 ln x minus 1 over 5. The integral of x raised to power 4 is similar to what we did here. This is going to give us x raised to power 5 over 5 then plus c, which is the constant of integration. Simplifying this side, we have x raised to power 5 over 5 ln x then minus x raised to power 5 over 25 plus c. And then if you have the time, you can then simplify further, but this is where we are stopping for the final solution of this problem, and this is where we are ending this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.